Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can resize your frame in your whiteboard or board presentations on Miro.com. So let us dive into this. So guys, as you can see, that's the frame here in my example board. So what you want to do is simply left click into your board to select it. And there are several ways how you can resize your frame. You can, for example, click into one of its corners and simply select your custom size, as you can see. So that's one way. You can also select your frame with your left mouse, and after that you will see that aspect ratio selected at the top with a custom ratio, but you can switch, for example, to 16:9 or to 1:1 and so on and so forth, A4 and so on and so forth. So I will leave it at custom so that I may simply customize or resize it. There's also option number 2, guys. When you create a new frame here from the left panel, simply left click into that frame symbol here and select one of these templates here, like custom 16:9, even mobile, tablet, desktop, and so on and so forth. You can also go with slides, diagram, and yeah, that's basically it, guys. So that's how you resize these frames here on Miro. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you later on our channel.